In this video I will show you how to take a backup of the ACU configuration and how to restore an old configuration. Start by going to the Settings and click on Versions under the Configuration tab. Then select the Import/Export sub-menu. Here you can select the settings which you want to back up. Say for example I want to make a complete backup, so I would select Network, Satellite Information and Antenna Information. Now you can either export this backup as a file and store it somewhere on your PC, or you can store this information within the ACU. To export as a separate file, click on Export, and save it on your PC. If you want to store this information on your ACU, just click on Save button. It will create a backup file with this name and timestamp, and here you will see the backup is taken. Now to restore previously saved settings from the ACU, you simply use the Restore option. Alternatively, if you have a file with old settings saved on your PC, you can upload this via the Import tab. So, I will go with the Import option. I will select the file, and under Import, now I have the option to select which setting I want to import. I want network setting to be imported as well as some satellite settings. I don't want this one, so that is fine, and then click on the green button to apply. Now the old setting is imported back, and you can go back to the dashboard.